Unlike other complicated tools with steep learning curves and excessive features, Upbase keeps things simple, focusing on what truly matters, while still offering a wide range of features. In addition, Upbase provides several dedicated tools to boost personal productivity, such as the Daily Planner, Daily Notes, Pomodoro Timer, and Time Blocking. These tools help you stay focused and actually get things done, rather than just managing tasks. So, let's begin! Features. Now let's take a look at one of Upbase's unique features, the Daily Planner. On this page alone, you have access to 5 tools designed to maximize your productivity, including Daily Notes, Notepad, Pomodoro Timer, My Tasks, and Calendar, all in one place. You can easily drag and drop tasks to time block your schedule on the calendar, making organization and planning a breeze. Price. Unlimited tasks, unlimited users, up to 3 lists, unlimited storage of up to 5 megabytes per file, access to 1 month of chat messages, and iOS and Android mobile apps for free. And premium, everything from free plan, plus unlimited lists, unlimited free guests, unlimited storage up to 250 megabytes per file, access full history of chat messages, and recurring tasks priority support for $8 per month billed monthly and $6 per month billed annually. But they have some lifetime deals. Plan 1, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 1 premium workspace, and 5 total team members for $49 instead of $360. Plan 2, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 2 premium workspaces, and 10 total team members for $98 instead of $720. Plan 3, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 3 premium workspaces, and 15 total team members for $147 instead of $1,080. Plan 4, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 4 premium workspaces, and 20 total team members for $196 instead of $1,440. Plan 5, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 5 premium workspaces, and 25 total team members for $245 instead of $1,800. Plan 6, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 6 premium workspaces, and 30 total team members for $294 instead of $2,160. Plan 7, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 7 premium workspaces, and 35 total team members for $343 instead of $2,520. Plan 8, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 8 premium workspaces, and 40 total team members for $392 instead of $2,880. Plan 9, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 9 premium workspaces, and 45 total team members for $441 instead of $3,240. And Plan 10, unlimited lists and guests, unlimited storage of up to 250 megabytes per file, up to 10 premium workspaces, and 50 total team members for $490 instead of $3,600. Features included in all plans: team chat, list chat, custom channels, and direct messages. Embed Google Drive folders, docs, sheets, slides, list, board, and calendar view. Access full history of chat messages. Recurring tasks, Chrome extension, invite guests and clients, customize list modules, lock pages, add the Daily Planner view to mobile app, links, bookmarks in lists. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 153 reviews on the Appsumo, and on Capterra, there are only 2 reviews. That means this is completely new software. So, Take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait! If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.